welcome to another recipe here on Realize Guyana, my friends. Today we're going to be doing another topping for the popular dal and rice. Dal and rice, Guyanese food. So fish, as you know, is a popular topping for dal and rice, and today we're going to be doing another fish, which is Bangamary, and we have some perfect size here for dal and rice, and we're going to be frying these dal and rice style. So for that we have their perfect size here, as you can see. These ones are very delicious. We're going to be using some black pepper, salt, curry powder, scallion, garlic pepper, celery, broadleaf thyme, also called Puddina, and that's about it. So let's get started, guys. Let's get cracking. Okay, that's done there, guys. So make sure you drain your fish dry before you start seasoning, right? Pour some salt. A little black pepper, and these things you can average, guys. You don't really need an exact measurement for this stuff for fried fish. A little bit of all-purpose flour. That's just to help hold everything together. And we also added the curry powder already, right? So also make sure you rub the stuff inside the fish, the belly of the fish, inside. And then you can leave this for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes if you want. When you leave it like that for a bit, it's even better. But you can also do it right away. We're going to leave ours for a little bit, and then we're going to continue. See you then. Okay, guys, our oil is hot. Okay guys, so we are ready to turn this fish now, this fried fish. So let the first side fry a little bit completely. When it's sticking, don't move it, just let it fry until it releases itself. So we're gonna take these out now. These are done. Ready for our dal and rice, which we don't have today. But we decided to do the recipe anyways. And there we go. Nice fried Bangamary boy. So here is our fried fish, guys. If you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please leave your comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.